illegality allegedly even happening.
My Lord, I will now read formulation 4 with utmost respect, and I've noted my Lord's
Can
observation.
I just ask a question here? जो आप कह रहे थे पार्टी एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट 13(1) तक नहीं आया, बट उससे पहले 22/12/23 को आपका ऑर्डर तो था ना, in which you said that they cannot, PTI cannot get the election symbol because it didn't conduct its election. So after that वो party affiliation certificate कैसे लाएंगे? ये issue litigation में चला गया
which I'm repeatedly being asked
No,
in
you're not
some
repeatedly answering.
in some
Please answer.
shape or form,
आप सुन रहे सवाल?
leading me to a certain answer, and all that I can say, I have said.
Can
my
you please
ladyship.
hear the question?
Bilkul
I'm
ji.
simply saying that on a factual plane, you are saying that this certificate never came. So in terms of the facts, I'm just asking that, is it that it never came because of an order of the ECP itself? How else, why would they be giving you
I'll
that?
answer this question partially. No one files a party affiliation ticket on the 24 by the deadline for nomination papers. It is filed on the 13th after the list. Ladyship, देखें वो exact example जो मेरे, I've forgotten, there's so many learned judges here. When I was asked A, B and C parties thing, I think Mr. Justice Aminuddin said, वो process खत्म होगा तो party, there may be 15 candidates for a party
ये
ticket.
मेरा question नहीं है.
But I
मेरा
have answered.
question है
That
कि
was the
आपका
ladyship's question.
order.
It was
Please
not
don't
because of
tell-
my order. It is not done under the law. It is not the
But you-
practice, and it is not filed at that time. So,
Your order is
based on
of
that,
no consequence, 22/12 का?
देखें ये अभी, this is a separate question altogether, ladyship.
That's my question. I am asking you. You are saying on a factual plane
I will answer.
that they did not file anything. So I am just writing the facts down,
जी, जी, बिल्कुल.
and I'm trying to see that is it because
No,
of the order?
then I'll take a position. No, it wasn't.
How would they file it in view of your order?
My ladyship, I'm being taken again to the same. I mean, if the bench wants me to say something, why doesn't the judge concerned, just honorable judge, just ask me to just say it through my mouth?
No,
But I will not.
I think that's a very unfair statement.
And it's a
because
very
everyone on the
inappropriate
bench
way
can
of responding
understand
also.
the question.
Ladyship, I
I'm
have.
sorry, but
Don't
that's
want to
not.
answer it.
Ladyship, I am being like. I think
आप
everyone
आगे
is
आगे
seeing
बढ़
what's happening here.
आगे बढ़ें, आगे
Please,
बढ़ें.
आप आगे
Formulation 4 then.